Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Cartersville, local and long-distance movers near me. When we assist you in moving your belongings to a new residence that's 50 miles or above from your current location, we consider it a long-distance move. We're careful with the competence, level of discipline, and integrity of the staff we hire because we only want those who handle our clients' belongings with caution. Our movers will also be in charge of boxing and arranging your things in the truck that'll convey them to your new home. With our level of expertise and track record of successful services, you can rest assured that we'll have all your properties and are safe with us. We understand all federal and state level road regulations, and we have a good rapport with our local relocation authorities. We also have insurance coverage to cover any risk during the relocation. We offer affordable local moving services to residents of Cartersville. Our res services cost between $30 to $40 per hour. We plan local moves like we would plan a long-distance move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cartersville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.